How do you grab someone's attention in the shortest span of time? Hi, welcome to Sales Breakthrough with AngelaOh. If you're new to this channel and are keen to find out how to increase your sales, then do subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, as I'll be sharing with you practical sales tips every week. When we are on the phone with a prospect, we must be mindful that we do not bore our prospect talking about our product details. It is always more effective to make it a two-way communication instead of just you talking throughout. One of the ways we can engage our prospects over the phone is to ask purposeful questions. Whenever we ask questions, it not only allows you to be in control, it gives you insights about the other party. I do not mean just any kind of questions like, how are you? How is your day? What makes a question purposeful is when there is a reason behind asking the question. Good questions not only inform, but will trigger the prospect to start thinking. They can also generate ideas or motivate a person to act. Examples of good questions would be, what is the one thing you will need to change for you to be successful? Or what would you do if there's no limit to your budget? When we spend time to craft out good questions, we will find our phone prospecting more effective and fruitful. I love to share my proven sales tips and techniques. So if you have anything regarding sales that you'd like to learn, let me know by typing in the comments below. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, as I'll be sharing with you practical sales tips every week. Do remember to turn on your notification bell so that you can always get the latest update.